Hi there, students. To absquatulate. To absquatulate. This is another word meaning to flee, to leave in a hurry, to depart, to abscond, if you like. So yeah, the accountant absquatulated with the money. I'm about to absquatulate into the forest for a couple of days camping. I'm going to go away. I think very often as well, to absquatulate, to leave in a hurry. But notice, you might think this word is very formal, but it's actually not. This is a joke. It's a humorous word. It's informal slang. Notice as well, it's an American word. I think it's one of these mock Latin words, and it's probably a mixture of abscond, to squat, to perambulate, and to get away from. Yeah? But to absquatulate, to disappear, to go away. So, when he was in trouble, he absquatulated. When his debtors came to ask for money, they found he had absquatulated. Yeah, when I go to get my car back, I'll probably find my friend's absquatulated. He's departed in a hurry. I walked into the room and everyone left, so I said there's no need to absquatulate on my behalf. I'm using it as a joke, as an informal, jokey word. I get the feeling that if you use this word with many native speakers, they're not going to know what it means. But it's a fun word. It's a jokey word. So yes, I say it's informal, but I would say it's posh informal. Yeah, I think posh American informal. Apparently it's been around since the 1830s, but to absquatulate, to leave. Yeah, so this is when you want to say leave, but in a humorous way. When the teacher arrived in class, he found that all the kids had absquatulated. They'd run off and hidden. Yeah. Notice as well, to absquatulate, a regular verb. They absquatulated. They had absquatulated. Yeah, but I would use this in a posh, informal setting where you're trying to be funny, you're trying to be humorous. To leave suddenly. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, don't absquatulate, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Absquatulate.